Your dream house or a new car. Maybe you want to give back to your loved ones. Too many things could change for the better. I mean, with an easy $1,000 a day PayPal money, and it all starts from this 10-minute video that you're watching right now. Watch and learn because this is going to change your life. Now, let's get back to the video. First of all, I want you to go on to this website, which is called Respondent. You can go over to respondent.io. Basically, you can earn PayPal money easily, and these websites are very important. I want you to stay with me because somewhere in this video, I'll show you how to earn money like $100, $200, $500, or this amount over and over again. And the best of all, at the end of this video, I'll even show you another hidden way to make double the money in PayPal faster while letting others do all the hard work for you. Make sure you stay tuned so you don't miss out on that. So, when you come to the homepage of this website, I want you to click on all of these to get started button over here, then you'll see this. First, let's make sure you are in the right place to want to sign up as a researcher or a research participant. Now remember, you need to click on this, I am a research participant, because we are going to get paid in PayPal money for participating in different research projects on this website. So click on this URL right here and click on this sign up as a participant, and over here you can see you can sign up using a social media account. Simply put in your email address right here and just click on the sign up button. Otherwise, you can sign up using your Facebook, or you can sign up using your LinkedIn profile. It's actually a very simple sign-up process, but just to make sure that you go on and check your email inbox over to verify your account and also activate your sign-up process. So very important, go onto your dashboard once you log into your account, and on here, you're able to browse on different projects to earn PayPal money online on this website. As you can see here, there are many different projects right on the dashboard. And when I scroll down, we can even see that there are literally hundreds of projects that you can join, and all of them are absolutely free and posted just recently. Now, when I scroll further down, we can see that this one right here just posted recently, and this website is actually very active. They're constantly adding brand new projects that you can join and earn fast and easy. You can see here, and they're going to load up hundreds of additional projects, which you can join right away on this website, and you can actually get paid a lot of money. So I want you to pay close attention because this is very important. And I want to give you the first tip about this website. Now you can see that there are different categories of projects that you can join in to earn PayPal money. There are software developers, marketers, executives, sales and support, business owners, and software users. There are 6 different categories of projects that you can join on this website. In order to earn PayPal money in different projects are going to pay you different amounts of money. Now right over here it says, average hourly incentive with this amount, then for this category is around for this amount as well. This one right here will pay this amount, and so on and so forth. So right now, I want you to focus on just 2 of these main categories to make the maximum amount of money. Number 1, executives, because you get extra money for just an hour. You can see here that in just 1 hour, you earn an extra $700, and the second category, which is the business owners category, where you can earn extra $500 in PayPal money per hour, but just joining this project in this category, so very important. Make sure you join in the business owners and executives category. And this is the first tip that I want to share with you. Now, before we move on to the bonus tip, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to my channel. Now, once you're logged into your account, you can actually see this filter button so we can narrow down our options and select the different projects that we want to join in. I want you to click on remote, and this is very important because there is a total of this number of projects, and when you click on remote, they're going to start filtering out other projects that are available for you to work on, which means you can work anytime and anywhere you want. And by filtering out the search results, the projects go down to only a few because some of the projects actually require you to meet them in person or face-to-face. You have to travel and to actually work on projects. We definitely don't want you to do that because we just want to work from home, take out our phones, or turn on our computers and book as much or as little as we prefer to. So it is very important for you to choose on remote, and there are still hundreds of projects available for you to choose from. No. Hang on and stay with me, you guys, because the next thing that you can do on this website is this my compensation range. You can filter out how much money you want to earn on this particular project. For example, you can start with $5 all the way up to $1,000. Now when you scroll this one right here to about $200 to somewhere between $200 to $1,000. So we can see here these different projects that will pay you on this particular range, which is $200 up to $1,000. Here is how much money you can earn. And when I scroll down below, you can even get paid with a higher rate. For example, $300, and just look at all of these high theme projects that you can work on. There's plenty of them that you can join, and they pay you even up to $500 in free absolutely mind-blowing. So very important. I want you to just go ahead and filter out the compensation range to about up to $1,000 so you can just join on all projects that pay you more PayPal money. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Now over here are the estimated time for you to complete a project. For example, this one, you can earn a good amount of money and finish it in a short amount of time. This one where you can work on a little longer and can earn this amount, and this one which might also take some time, but will pay you this amount of free PayPal money. They pay you a very high rate for a very simple job. Filter the time on this section right here. You can change the time of the project that you want to join. For example, if you want to join all the projects around, let's say 5 to 16 minutes. So once you filter out these results, you can see here all the projects in just around 60 minutes. As you can see here, there are only this number of projects based on your filter results. In this case, we actually select a payment of $200 to $1,000 with the estimated time of about 5 to 6 minutes. So real quick, if you want to join in on this project, just go ahead and click on the title of the project. You can see here, here's the estimated time to finish the project, and you can get this amount for your payment. They're going to give you some instructions that you have to follow. Just click on this button, starts greener, and you have to answer a few simple questions. What is your name, your job, where you are coming from? What is your age, and so on. And once you complete these questions, you can begin to join a project and start earning PayPal money online. So as promised, since you have watched the video up to this point, I want to do you a bonus by showing you the second method, which is somewhat hidden to make extra PayPal money fast and easy. And you can do everything on this workshop, any of the hard work yourself. This one is one of the simplest ways to earn PayPal money very quickly. Now you can get paid to refer your friends and colleagues to this paid research study. That means you don't have to join this project yourself, and you can just refer other people and/or PayPal money. This is where the magic happens. We can literally just go in and share your referral link to other people, share them on Facebook, on LinkedIn, or email, or anywhere else. Don't worry, because I'll share with you a very special place where you can share your referral link and you can earn a lot of PayPal money online, even if you're a total beginner. On top of that, I'll give you 2 templates that you can make a lot of PayPal money online. Make sure to keep watching and stay tuned for that. So as you can see here, our average referral bonus is $50 and paid to you via PayPal. Every single person that you refer, you can earn $50 instantly with no limits. Again, this is a lot of PayPal money. Just imagine if you refer 10 people, we can make $500 without working any of these projects. This is actually a very good passive income stream. So the next thing that I want you to do is to go on to webmastersOn.com, where it's a forum about making money online. I know a lot of people actually know about this forum, and I just want to share it with you because I think this could help you earn even more. No, I would definitely appreciate if you hit the thumbs up, like this video, and subscribe to my channel if you're liking this so far. Now, once you come over to this forum, you can see here that there are many people posting new forum posts, like this one right here, for example, and many more of these forum posts where you try to scroll down below, whichever number of views as well. Check this out. It has this number of views along with this one, and with this one as well. This wall is still very new right now, and you can get a lot of clicks, a lot of views, and a lot of free traffic to click on your referral link. And if they sign up, you're going to get paid $50. You can see your $50 in PayPal money for every single referral. Right now, you can see all these other people. They're posting on this forum, just a very, very simple post, but I know that a lot of you might not know exactly what. As you can see, hi there, I'm just putting your name right here, and I'm new to this forum. Nice to meet you guys here. Just wondering if anyone here put out the Respondent. Before, I'd come across this site where they offer different income opportunities, which sounds amazing. So once you think, just put in your referral link right here and just say thanks. Now the reason why this is so powerful is because you are not pushing or spamming people, you're just asking for their opinion. And there are a lot of people that will be very curious to click on this link, and when they come over to the website, they can decide whether or not to sign up. Well, some of them might not sign up, but some of them eventually do and start doing that job, and you're going to get $50 of PayPal money each time, and you can stack up your passive income every single day. So this is actually a very powerful post. Moving on to the second post that shared this with you. A few days ago, I came across this website that pays out $50 up to $100 consistently. You want one for yourself? Check out to see whether the job is still available, and then you're just going to put your link right here. It's actually very short and extremely powerful. So right here, you could just copy and paste my two posts. These are my two copy and paste templates. When you combine both of these methods together, you can make a lot of PayPal money fast and easy. And I hope that you learned something from this video, and that's it. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell, smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.